Merry Christmas! And I've got an early Christmas present from Panasonic. So this will be my unboxing video. Don't try this at home. It's a big box for what should be a small camera. Candles. Okay, thank you, Panasonic. A box in a box, this seems to be. Okay, so first off, what do we have? A smaller box. Let's open it. All the electronics. Charger, DC, AC. Very nice Panasonic strap, I think. Okay, well, let's move that out of the way. And the manual, very important. Let's get this. A hand grip with a, well, it seems to be a rosette, but it's actually not. It's some kind of, I think it's a locking system. Well, I should have read the manual probably. And what's this? This is the, yes, the screen. I've seen it on different videos, but it should be, this is nice, kind of pop out sun hood kind of thing. And then the camera. Very interested. Well, it's small, quite light. There's one battery in there and two slots, two SD slots. Seems to be a nice form factor. Just really curious to see if this will lock into place easily. It does. Well, you see. This is it. I'll do a full review soon on RedShark, and I'm looking forward to using it. Have a very Merry Christmas. Cue music.